What's up friends? In this video talk about the top 5 slow cookers in 2022-2023. Best slow cookers from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods, to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Best Portable, Crock-Pot 6-quart cook and carry slow cooker. Holidays and celebrations are nothing without great food. If you're helping family or friends throw a party and need to travel to share your favorite meal, this is a great option. The locking lid has a gasket and an extra seal to provide extra insurance that your car interior will be safe from spills. The convenient lid is just the starting point. This was our runner-up overall when it came to the tenderness of the meat and safety. The outside never got above 87 degrees, some of our other nominees reached an outer temp of over 125 degrees, making it an ideal crock to take along with you. Number 2. Best Large Capacity Cooker, Crock-Pot 8QT Programmable Slow Cooker. Many slow cookers can feed a group, but this model can make enough for crowds of more than 10 people. So, whether you're throwing a birthday party or taking chili to the annual tailgate, this slow cooker can meet your needs. The digital timer makes it easy to program and it automatically switches to the warm setting when the cooking time is up. Need to cook a recipe for less than 10 people? Don't worry, this slow cooker did a fantastic job cooking the same recipe as the smaller cookers at 6 to 7 quart capacities. Number 3. Best for cooking from frozen, Hamilton Beach 6-quart Defrost Slow Cooker. This Hamilton Beach slow cooker solves one of the biggest pain points when it comes to slow cooking: you can't cook from frozen. With this Hamilton Beach slow cooker, the set it and forget it ease is maximized, as you can cook your protein directly from the freezer, no need to plan in advance or wait overnight for things to defrost. The Hamilton Beach Defrost model follows USDA food safety guidelines to defrost your meat at a food-safe temperature before switching to slow cook mode to finish the job. This model also comes with a probe thermometer, so you can be sure your meats are cooked to the correct temperature. It has all other features you can expect with a slow cooker as well: low and high settings, warm setting, as well as manual time and temperature options. When using this machine, it's important to carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions, especially when using the defrost function. We do not recommend cooking from frozen in any other slow cooker model on the market due to food safety risks. Number 4. Best Budget, Crock-Pot 7-quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. In a saturated digital world, sometimes a humble, manual appliance is a breath of fresh air. There's no bells and whistles on this stainless steel slow cooker, just a simple dial with the options to cook on low, high, or to keep food warm. Does your go-to slow cooker chili recipe really need anything else? The insert is large, the design is simple and clean, and the price is a bargain hunter's dream come true. Plus, it made super tender beef paprikash in our test. There's no automatic shut-off, so it's an ideal model for someone who's homebound and slow cooking on a budget. Number 5. Another favorite, Hamilton Beach 6-quart Set and Forget Programmable Slow Cooker. One of the biggest risks associated with slow cooking is overcooked food. The Hamilton Beach Set and Forget Slow Cooker has a thermometer probe that can be programmed to switch your cooker to warm once the meat has reached your desired temperature, solving this age-old problem. Just insert the probe into the meat and the temperature reading will show on the outside of the slow cooker. An added bonus is the clip-top lid, which can help prevent spills if you're taking your cooker on the road. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon.